guys, welcome back to my channel. We're not doing that. This is not your YouTube channel. My name's Lonnie, if you don't already know that. You should.
I'm GIUSEP.
Special guest in my video today, my lovely boyfriend. If you guys don't know him, link in the description for his YouTube channel. So today's video, a little different. We're gonna be doing body care hacks, beauty hacks, skin hacks. I don't really know. I just found a whole bunch on the internet off YouTube. So we're gonna try them out today. I've tried out like maybe one of them. Yeah, one of them I definitely trust. But the rest of them we're gonna try out and we're gonna figure out if they work.
Not doing them all.
He's doing most of them, okay? There's like a hair removal one. I kind of wanted to try it. Like the one under the arms, like the hair removal. I don't know. It'd be kind of funny. Yeah, like waxing your armpits. We got some good ones in here, okay? It's not gonna flop. Jesse told me not to make a long intro, so we're just gonna get right into this video. Comment down below if you guys want more beauty hacks, life hacks, hair hacks, whatever. And give this video a big thumbs up.
And if you're new to my
If you're new and you haven't seen my face already, or you have and you haven't subscribed, you should, down below, okay? I post at least once a week.
If you're from Florida and you go, I guess.
Let's
like this video.
No,
it's not TikTok.
No, this is not. Wait, what? That's a TikTok? I don't know. Anyways, let's just get right into this video. I never actually mentioned the reason why I was doing this video in the intro, but it's basically because like I know we're all in quarantine and sometimes we can't get products that we need from online or whatever because we can't go to the store. So this is why we're doing a whole bunch of DIY body care type of things. So the first one, we're gonna be doing a lip scrub. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. I've done this one before. I love it. It works really good and it makes those lips soft. I'm not even kidding. Your consistency should be kind of like this, you know? You kind of want more sugar than coconut oil. And the reason why I put in this little container and keep it and use it throughout the week or as long as I want, because it really doesn't go old. So now we're gonna do a before and after. Okay, so here's a before of my lips.
So juicy.
Stop. Now we're gonna take this and you're just gonna scrub it on there. Scrub really good. Get all that dead skin. Actually tastes so good with sugar. You can also do this if you don't have coconut oil, do it with olive oil. And then you just wash it off. Your lips instantly feel like $1,000,000. They're so moisturized. Now we're doing Jess's.
Wait, I gotta do it?
Yeah. This is a before of his lips. Stop. Oh yeah. Scrub them lips, baby.
It tastes so good though, actually.
It does taste good, right?
How perfect they are.
And there's our after. Okay, so our next one, I've never tried this before. This is kind of weird, but it's like hair removal, like armpit hair removal or something. And my armpit hair grows back pretty fast because I'm Cuban and we grow hair literally out of the
abyss.
You know.
I'm not doing this.
I'm gonna make a DIY hair removal, I guess. Here we go. No, like not like a wax, just like hair removal.
So like you're telling me whatever you're making is gonna just dissolve your hair?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. We're about to try it. Okay, so I made it. Kind of nervous.
It's gonna burn your armpits. I'm gonna laugh at you.
I don't know if it's burned, so we're gonna try it out right now. So these are my armpits right now. Don't judge, they're not even that hairy. I literally shaved yesterday and it's already back, so.
You were telling me you're gonna put that on and it's just gonna vanish.
I don't know what it does, okay? I've never tried it. I don't know how much to put on, okay? Now you're supposed to wait and then you just take it off with like a towel. You're supposed to just take a towel and wipe it off. All right, well, I feel like it grew more. That was a fail. I don't recommend it. That apparently did not work, so. All right, well, moving on. So like I would really not recommend the armpit thing because my armpit is burning on fire right now.
Told you.
It hurts so bad. It's literally burning. And I have sensitive armpits, so it's like even worse. But moving on to the next one, we're gonna be getting that Hollywood smile, that white smile that we all love and know. Burning, it's like on fire. It hurts. Okay, so we're gonna be getting like a whitening kind of teeth thing. That's what we're doing. So here we go, let's make this now. So this is what it should look like. Toothpaste and baking soda. And then you need like 2 little strips of tin foil to put on your teeth. Put it on there. The before. Now we're gonna get some, what are these called? Some grills in your mouth.
How long do you keep it in for?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, it's good. So your armpit like really hurts. Definitely try the armpit one if you want to go through pain. my god, it actually worked.
Did it really?
Yeah, it really worked.
It worked?
That's crazy.
This is a before. Look at that. Look at that. Alrighty. I don't think so.
It worked. So before you guys say something about my teeth are yellow, I have yellow teeth syndrome. Look it up. It's a real thing. It looks yellow in cameras, but it's actually perfectly white. So don't say anything to me.
So the next one I'm trying out is a body sugar scrub. This is kind of like the lip scrub, but just one extra ingredient. So that's it, and I'm gonna keep this in my bathroom so I can like use it in the shower and stuff, but I'm gonna do it to my hands. Your hands, and it literally makes your hands so soft. Wow, this actually feels really, really good. Feel my hands.
Oh my god, so soft.
Aren't they so soft? Okay, so the last and final one I have. It's like a wax, you know, when you're going to go get your eyebrows waxed and stuff like that, your little mustache kind of going on. I'm gonna try to make a wax. Hopefully it works. I don't really know. This is kind of spooky to try. So we're gonna make this one up. This one is probably the longest one to make. So yeah, here we go. I don't know how to do this. This is a freaking fail. So I'm not plucking my eyebrows today or waxing them today. It's as hard as a rock.
Let's see what actually wax. Oh.
Fail. Okay, so that last one just did not work at all. It was a mess. It was a complete mess, and I wish it would have worked because I need to really get this going here. I'm just gonna close out today's video there. The ones that really did work was the teeth whitening one, the lip scrub, and the body scrub. Those were like my top 3. Oh, the armpit one, don't do that one.
Oh my god,
so bad. Like so bad. Yeah, if you guys like have a recipe or something like a DIY wax thing that I could do, comment that down below because I really would love to wax my eyebrows here because they're not looking too cute. Thank you for being in my video. The love of my life. His YouTube channel is linked down below.
Life of Giuseppe. Just click it. Just click the link. Why does nobody click it? Click the link. Subscribe to the channel.
Go click it. Get him to 200 subscribers. But anyways, if you guys also have ideas for like couple videos that we can do, just like funny challenges or like a prank wars, I don't know. But if you guys have any ideas, just let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new.